used to be a pretty nice feller, but now he's a welder. He's got arthritic knees and a mattress full of fleas. He's in the bar most every night. He doesn't get along if you look at him just wrong. He'll flare up, try to pick the fight. He's got sores on both his hands, he can sometimes barely stand. He thinks he's got a master plan. He's obnoxious and he's rude, got a real bad attitude, but in his mind he thinks that he's just grand. Just his big old welding truck. The welder's helper is his only friend. He got money in the bank and diesel in his tank. The good life for him will never end. He used to be a pretty nice feller, but now he's a welder. Life for him just got a whole lot better, 'cause now he's a pipeline welder. He used to be a pretty nice feller, but now he's a welder. Life for him just got a whole lot better, 'cause now he's a pipeline welder.